They're not kind of, like, one is like a type of it. Think of like, they're both like dogs, but one is a different breed. A digital signature is an electronic signature, but an electronic signature is not a digital signature. In this video, we're going to explain the differences between digital signatures and electronic signatures. And mind you, they're not the same thing. Here's an extremely dated example, but one that's going to make it easier for us to understand. Imagine you're sending a letter to your grandfather. Your signature at the end of your letter, that's your seal of approval. That's your stamp of authenticity. You see, that signature is paramount for security and trust. It guarantees that the information came from the right source. Now let's discern the differences between an electronic signature and a digital signature. An electronic signature is just like a handwritten signature, except electronic. It's unique to every person, and it contains unique, personally identifying information for every single signature. No one else can use your e-signature, and you can't use other people's electronic signatures. But a digital signature is akin to like a uniquely crafted wax seal on a handwritten letter. It's again a testament to its authenticity. So think, for example, a notary, or going to a government official, or having someone testify that the documents or information inside that document is correct. That's what a digital signature is. It's like an extra layer applied to an electronic signature that verifies the authenticity and accuracy of that signature. What is a digital certificate? A digital certificate is an electronic document that verifies identities. It's akin to a digital passport. It holds public key information, name, and other identifying details that allow you to discern who signed a document, when it was signed, where it was signed, and it's really a certificate of authenticity for that signature. Now, when applying a digital signature, there's also another thing called a certificate authority. This is a third party, a trusted entity that issues digital certificates and validates the authenticity of a website or users or the signature. They're essentially the gatekeepers. They determine what a digital certificate can be applied, if it can be applied, and they validate if it can be applied or not. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really appreciate it. If you want to learn more about how to use a contract management tool such as Oneflow, check out our hack videos on our YouTube page. Or if you want to start using a contract management solution for free, you can get a free trial at our webpage, oneflow.com, where you'll be able to use all of the features and premium benefits that come along with a full membership for 14 days.